Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with grey prints on it, and we also have zari lines and a contrast black blouse piece. It's a complete inchit black color. The same inchit black is the borders here, and the antique finish golden zari is given for the black base. The complete saree is in beautiful pattern. You can see the circles kind of pattern as well as the checked pattern. Beautiful pattern. This done completely using black ink here. Elegant saree in a beautiful grey shade, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, rust color pallu here with zari lines and zari border, and we have a same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece. It is a contrast one for the body color. Beautiful one. The complete zari border here is in golden zari. You can see it's a beautiful color, and we have the body that is in blue base, indigo blue shade, and polka dots design is done using white here, half white color. Beautifully all over it is being printed. Excellent saree, very different design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color saree with prints in pink color, ultimate contrast combination with pink blouse piece, very elegant blouse piece with both sides a royal blue color border. The complete saree is having royal blue borders with antique finish zari. The body of the saree is pink. Top and bottom we have the same kind of printing, and the middle portion is printed closely with the royal blue shade, mango design. Really beautiful saree, a colorful, excellent collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a yellow pallu with drama green color prints and brown prints, and we also have zari lines. Same yellow blouse piece with one side block printed border as well as this golden zari border. The complete saree is here in the same yellow with the rama green prints all over. It's a floral beautiful pattern with the border design also printed. Elegant one, very different one too with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep grey shade color, light navy blue and grey mixed shade it is, with the cream color base for the prints in the pallu. Very beautiful pallu with zari lines also. And we have same color, plain blouse piece, the same body color, grey it is. It's a deep blue and grey mixed color. Really different color it is. With the starting of the pallu, we have the lady dancing design, and the top and the bottom also we have black and white design. Temple border is also given in the saree, with body having plain grey shade. Really simple but elegant saree here with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark lavender color saree with blue prints in the pallu. We also have zari lines in the pallu, and the same lavender blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is. The saree have beautiful concept, all over printing design in the top of the saree. In the lower half we have the butta designs and the printing design, the floral pattern done only in the bottom half. A very beautiful one with the golden zari, elegant saree with simple printing, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a rust color saree, rusty orange all over. The pallu is also in the same color with block prints in black, and we also have zari lines, and the same color is the plain blouse piece here with golden zari borders. The whole saree is having the golden zari border, bright golden zari it is, with the very different pattern printed all over the saree. Blocks are here with a polka dots pattern, and it is done in a very different way. The staircase pattern, increasing and decreasing pattern all over. Very beautiful saree, different collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with zari lines on the base of red, and we also have prints that is done in cream color, half white cream, and we have contrast black blouse piece with one side maroon borders for the zari border base. The complete zari border base here is done using maroon, and you can see the different prints here. We have cream base color saree with printing in black, And we also have a horizontal striped pattern which is having just plain black color, and we also have magenta prints in the bottom border of the saree. Very different one. The top portion fully it comes like that, and the lower half we have the print is just the version of the print is changed. Very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light blue shade pallu with just jari lines and the border, and we have same color blouse piece, a contrast blouse piece for the body color. Very elegantly the blouse piece also have the zari lines. The body of the saree is in cream base with vertically the beautiful triangles design printed. Multiple colors used for it. You can see a lot of colors. Orange, pink, yellow is alternatively changed and used all over the saree. And also the zari borders are in the pallu color blue base. Ultimate contrast combination saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa. And here we have an apple green brighter shade saree with prints all over in maroon color. You can see the Egyptian printing done in the pallu, the pyramid's face design, and we have the same color plain blouse piece, golden zari borders all over the saree along with the blouse piece, and we also have a thin border that is also in maroon base color here. Beautiful printing. You can see the pyramids, the ancient concept printed, and the saree have a beautiful prints all over, a floral and stripes kind pattern all over printing, and the lower half we have the tribal kind printing done. Different saree, very different concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful royal blue shade pallu with zari lines on the base of light blue shade color, and we have a little turquoise green and blue mixed shade color, little lighter shade blouse piece with prints in the blouse piece. Very rarely we have prints in the blouse piece, and one side we have the royal blue color borders. The complete saree is having the same light turquoise blue shade color saree with prints in green in the body, little lighter shade and small prints, and we have mango design printed in both sides borders, one at a row on the top and two at a row at the bottom, very elegantly using the royal blue color. The borders of the saree is also in royal blue base. Elegant saree, very different color combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green color. It's a fluorescent green with brown base for the zari lines. A very different concept and different colored saree. In same green color blouse piece. The complete blouse piece is a plain one with one side brown borders. The printing here is in very famous beautiful faces design, and the middle part is completely plain, same green. On the top and bottom we have the beautiful prints. Excellent saree with the brown base color for the zari borders. Beautiful printing, and the concept of the color is also very beautiful here with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light orange color saree with red in the pallu. The prints are done also in the red along with the jari lines, and we have the body color light orange shade, orange and peach mixed shade it is, blouse piece with one side red borders. The complete saree is having a beautiful red base for the zari borders. Very elegantly it's been done in a contrast combination. The saree completely is in mild orange. It is a mild peach mixed orange with all over red used for printing. The body having the tree design printed, and the both borders we have the village design printed. You can see the beautiful village concept. Very elegantly it's been block printed. Excellent saree with beautiful color combination, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue, indigo blue in a darker shade color pallu with white prints on it, half white used for the printing, and we also have zari lines. And here we have a green, a parrot green color blouse piece, plain one with the blue borders in one side. The saree here is in a beautiful parrot green base with dark green color prints. Beautiful concept. Very elegantly shuttle printing all over, and we have the indigo blue base for the zari borders in both sides. Simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a light violet color saree with the prints in black. Vertically it's been printed, and we also have the zari lines in golden shade and the same color blouse piece. It's a different lavender in a darker shade also, we can tell. Very different, beautiful color, and all over the saree very beautifully the prints are done in a top portion with fully vertically curvy lines printed using black. On the lower half we have the light floral design printed. Only in the borders we have the design. Prints are different, otherwise it's a beautiful half saree model saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a royal blue color pallu with brown base for the zari lines vertically, and we have a light blue, which is something in a copper sulphate blue shade color blouse piece with one side the brown border. The complete saree is having a brown base border. It's almost a burgundy brown with the golden zari border. And here the pattern of the saree is very different. You can see the leaves pattern in the lower part and the polka dots pattern in the top, and the polka dots are done using brown. The leaves in the royal blue base, and the pattern, it's like a staircase. It lowers and then again the staircase pattern increases. And when it goes to the lower part of the saree, vertically the printing is done. Alternatively, both designs are given. A very different saree, very different printing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pink saree, complete saree is pink, even the pallu with royal blue prints on it. We also have zari lines in the pallu, vertical ones, and we have same plain blouse piece in same color. Golden zari border is there all over the saree, including the blouse piece. Here the saree is done in a different way. Two different block prints printed all over the saree alternatively. You can see the faces design as well as the floral one. It's kind of a like rangoli. The printing here is completely done in the contrast royal blue shade, and the saree here is in base pink. Elegant saree, very different with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. A very beautiful collection here in a rust color, orange rust color base, and here the pallu is deep burgundy brown color, dark chocolate brown color here, and the blouse piece is plain peach and orange mixed shade color it is, and the complete borders are done using the pallu color basic, and on it the golden zari work is done. And here the saree is having a printing that is very different. You can see the very ancient design, the tribal pattern printed, tribal man, the fishes and all we can see, and the top portion is completely a bird design here and there printed one. A very different saree, exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful multicolored pallu. We have rusty orange, pink as well as green in the pallu, along with the block prints and zari lines, and a very contrast green. It's a beautiful olive green shade color blouse piece with one side the rusty orange color borders. The complete saree is having the green border for the base of the zari border, and here we have a beautiful colors in the saree. The mid part of the saree is something in a reddish rusty orange color. On the top and the bottom we have pink prints, and the between portion we have the cream portion that is having a green and yellow prints. Beautiful saree, multiple printing, and the colors of the saree is really beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green saree. It's a light apple green shade with the prints in the dark brown shade color with along with the zari lines. Same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is with zari border. The complete saree is having a beautiful golden zari border which gives a beautiful rich look to the saree, and we have the prints that is in a checkered type pattern, a beautiful geometric floral rangoli design which is very elegantly done using the deep burgundy and brown mixed up. Elegant saree, simple and beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful mild yellow color saree with zari lines on the rustic orange color base, and the block prints also associated with the pallu. And the same yellow is the blouse piece, plain blouse piece. Complete saree is in the same yellow. Really beautiful shirt, elegant yellow it is with the maple leaf design printed all over using multiple colors. Very elegant one with the borders in the contrast, rusty orange color base. Beautiful saree, excellent color shade with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green shade saree, a mild light pista green color with deep burgundy prints on it. The same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is. And here we have the saree in a tribal concept, all over tribal pattern printed, ancient tribal design, very closely printed using the brown shade. And we also have borders done in the blue color with the same tribal pattern. Elegant saree with the borders with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a orange color, a rustic orange color saree with black prints in the pallu, and we have zari lines also in the pallu. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is with zari borders. The printing here is done in beautiful way that the middle part have the palm leaf design printed using black, and the lower half we have a checkered kind pattern, two different designs printed, a floral as well as a black design which is also a floral. Very different pattern, all over printed one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful rust color saree, rusty orange it is with the temple design border printed all over using black, and we have same color blouse piece, a mild peach and orange mixed shade. Mild peach shade is also there, and you can see a very different printing in the saree. Starting of the pallu, this, and the lower half we have the temple border, the floral pattern all over, and it has been increasing in the lower half. You can see the lower half will have the staircase increasing pattern of the print. The print is done using maroon and black here. Very elegant and different saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have zari lines. The whole saree, the pallu is in same blue color. It's a very different pallu with the purple color base for the prints, and we have same purple contrast pallu. Blouse piece is complete contrast to the saree color, and you can see the body is in the mild blue with the prints having the purple, and the border is also having purple here with the golden zari borders all over the saree. It's a beautiful floral printing all over. Very elegant design with different color combination, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with the peach color prints all over, and we also have zari lines. And here the blouse piece is in same body color peach with one side the red borders. The complete saree here is in beautiful peach shade. It's a Kanahambaram peach color. Very beautiful prints on it. The top portion is completely printed in the maroon and red shades, and the lower half we have closely printed design using blue. Beautiful combination, elegant saree. The same thing is vice versa done in the lower half. Beautiful pattern, elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with the prints in the violet and purple mixed shade. We also have zari lines in the pallu, and we have the same violet, little darker shade blouse piece with the one side black borders. The complete saree having the border in the black with antique finish zari border in both sides, which is very elegant. And we also have the body of the saree, which is in a elephant grey, not complete black, something in a lighter black shade. And both sides of the saree we have the violet and purple shade color prints as well. On that we have a curvy lines pattern printed. Elegant one, and we have the lower portion completely in the purple shade with zigzag lines vertically done. It's a partly saree, half saree model with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue and pink color, a vertically splitted border pallu, and we have zari lines on it. Blue portion, the zari lines are done with a contrast color, pink color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with one side royal blue shade borders, The saree is having beautiful half saree model. The top half we have fully printed portion on cream base, royal blue used for the printing. And you can see the diagonal way it is printed, and the portion increases like, and a grey portion starts in the here, and once it goes to the lower part of the saree, it's almost a half and half pattern. Beautiful partly saree with a beautiful design. The borders of the saree are in the pink base color itself. It comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu. The complete saree color, the pallu color is in a very different light green shade. Excellent different shade it is. A sea turquoise and sea blue mixed shade color. And we have the prints in the choco brown color. We also have zari lines in the pallu. The same colors, the blouse piece color also here. Plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having the same color concept with the top completely a printed one. Choco brown color is closely printed here with both horizontal and lines pattern. It is a like very beautiful design, trendy one. And the lower half is completely printed with the floral and a different design, which is also done as using the choco brown and blue. Beautiful saree, very different block print here, which done exclusive pattern with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue saree with prints in deep royal blue, and the saree here is in light pastel shade blue. It's also in a light copper sulphate color. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is with zari borders. The complete zari border base is done in the beautiful sky blue color. Golden zari used for the zari borders, and here the multiple colors used for the prints. It is a leaf design, a palm leaf design printed all over using multiple colors. A simple and elegant saree for the blue lovers with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari border, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue shade. It's a very different, the shade of teal blue shade color. Pallu with the floral design block printed in the pallu vertically along with this vertical zari lines, and the same color is given for the blouse piece also. Beautiful concept, running concept it is. And we have the saree also in the same concept, the same blue color, teal blue shade. Different prints, so geometric prints here, almost like a beautiful star shape. And the between portion, the top, we have the motif part that is having a different mango style butas. The complete printing here is done on white color, half white. Beautiful saree, simple and beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a pink saree with prints in royal blue color, two different beautiful prints along with the zari lines. And here we have a very different blouse piece concept, a stripes pattern on deep magenta pink. Very elegant blouse piece. It's a rare collection with all over printing design. The top half of the saree is having a beautiful floral prints with border design printed using royal blue, and the lower half we have royal blue base and prints of pink is given or using the polka dots design. It's a kind of half saree type. Only in the printing the differentiation is given with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful brown pallu with grey, bluish grey color base. We have the block print design. Also the zari lines is given as usual, and the same body color, grey color, blouse piece is given here with one side brown borders. The complete saree is having the zari border on the brown base, and the complete saree is beautiful grey it is, with mild blue tinge grey. The top half of the saree is having butta designs, and we have the lower half with the floral pattern. Brown is dominating the printing here. Very elegant saree, beautiful color, a very rare color concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue pallu with pink base for the block prints, cream used for the block printing, and we have contrast pink blouse piece. The royal blue color is given for the one side blouse piece border. The complete saree is in the royal blue shade here with the printing in the opposite base color of pink. Mango design and beautiful floral design is given in the bottom. elegant saree. The combination is very different and beautiful with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green color, a very different light apple green shade with the pallu having black block prints and zari lines, and same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having beautiful golden zari border, very elegantly. Along with that, we have a printed border next to it. It is done using very elegant black color. The prints is done black in both side borders, and the middle part we have a green print which is in a mango design pattern. Elegant saree, simple and beautiful with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep purple shade color pallu, a very elegant color for the pallu, contrast one with zari lines, and the same color for the blouse piece, pallu color blouse piece, contrast one for the body with zari borders in both sides. The pallu blouse piece also has zari borders. And here we have an excellent design, very beautiful, very different and trendy design it is. All over a painting kind design, batik done in a very beautiful way, multiple colors used for it, and we have deep black used for the floral printing on the saree. We also have the purple color for the zari borders here, beautiful one, very colorful and different one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a green saree with green pallu, two different shades of green you can see in the pallu, and we have zari lines and block printed design vertically done. A light green shade given for the blouse piece, the saree color itself with the borders in the darker green shade, all in the parrot green shade only with little lesser shade color variation, and we have prints in blue and deep maroon color, and it is very different vertically printed design, mangoes pattern, and we also have a floral design. Elegant one, different one too with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful rusty orange color pallu with black block prints, and we also have zari lines, and we have the body color blouse piece. It is a Rama green shade. The complete saree is in Rama green shade. You can see in the middle portion, plain portion, bottom and top we have the black portion with the prints in cream color. It's a floral design printed, and we have the borders in the base of orange, rustic orange color. Really beautiful design with an excellent contrast color combination with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue pallu with the prints in purple shade. We also have a light violet shade in the saree with zari lines in the pallu, and the body color is given. It's almost a deep lavender shade, a violet or lavender shade it is all over the saree, and the prints here are done using the purple color. Two beautiful colors in one saree, and you can see the maple leaf design printed. This is also a very famous and most demanded saree, and we have the pallu color border given for the saree for the base of the zari lines. Really beautiful color combination with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful and contrast green pallu. It's an olive green shade with beautiful zari lines and zari border in both sides of the saree. Same green plain blouse piece with one side yellow borders. Plain blouse piece it is with the beautiful zari borders as well. The complete saree is having the zari border on the green base here, the pallu color base. And here we have a very colorful saree, multiple colors in the saree, painted like beautifully, almost the yellow and pink shades, multiple shades of pink are used here, red as well, with the prints completely done using black. A beautiful rainbow colored saree, very elegantly printed one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with mango design block prints in green and blue color. We also have zari lines, and here we have a body color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with one side black border. The complete saree is having black border and antique finish golden zari on the black. We also have a mango printed design on the same black portion. The center part of the saree, the main saree is in a very different shade of green. It's a pastel military green shade with very elegant printing. The printing is done again using the black color Beautiful saree, really beautiful, different combination with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey saree with prints in pink color, and we also have golden zari vertical lines. The borders of the saree is also done in golden zari. A plain blouse piece in same grey running color, and we have the body that is in beautiful concept. The top part we have the horizontal printing design, the leaf design, and the lower half we have the florals printed. It's a close, small floral design. All over it's been printed. Really different concept. On grey, the pink prints are really different with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep rust color pallu with very elegant light orange shade prints, and we also have burgundy color for the prints with zari lines. The same light orange color is the blouse piece here, body color. This is the body. The deep rust color is used for the printing on the light orange shade color. We also have a semicircle pattern printed here and there using the burgundy dark brown shade. The pallu color is given for the borders also. Very different printing all over, very different saree in different color with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a olive green saree with same color pallu, and we have zari lines on the base of deep brown, almost a burgundy color. We also have block prints using black in the saree, and we have same olive green blouse piece, and we have the contrast color border on one side with the block prints also. The complete saree border is in deep brown, the burgundy shade color, and the golden zari border is also bright and beautiful. The saree here having two different type of printing. The top half we have half and half pattern, the lower half we have the checked pattern and the curvy lines, and the top we have the butta portion, and when you go along the lower half it is completely the curvy checked portion pattern. Completely the printing is done for the curvy portion using black, and the buttas are done using the brown. Elegant collection, a very different combination color with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful turquoise shade color. It's a very different, beautiful pastel shade color. Pallu with brown base for the zari lines, and block prints is also given with same color blouse piece. On one side of the blouse piece we have the maroon color, the maroon and brown mixed shade. Same color is given for the whole saree borders, zari border base, and we have the turquoise blue and green mixed shade color for the body. Beautiful and different print in the black used all over the saree, and lower part we have a floral print on the maroon base. Excellent saree, beautiful prints and very different color concept which comes with authentic silk mark.